Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today my hair needs to wash and style. So if you're not new here, you should be familiar with my wash and style videos. Come on guys, I have an entire playlist for wash and style with me. However, for my wash day today, every single thing that touches my hair has to be green. Yeah, I saw the poll results and most of y'all want to see me use blue products, but I'm a dictator. It's my channel. I choose green. So here what? If this video does well, then I will follow up with trying this challenge with blue products only. So this is the part where I encourage you guys to thumbs up and share the video. A little competitive spirit to this challenge.
No one is competing with you, Viv.
I know. I'm competing with myself. I'm gonna give myself 5 points. And for every single time I absolutely have to touch my hair with something that's not green, I have to minus 1 point. From myself, because I'm playing with myself. I thought I wouldn't be able to find any shampoo that's green, but I have options. I actually have 2 green shampoos. I had this one on my shelf thanks to the crazy haul I did the other day where I bought all the products from the person in front of me. And I have this Zimii shampoo because it's been my favorite for a long time. It's a brand new bottle. Both of them are brand new bottles. And yeah, who knew I had green shampoo just sitting on my shelf? This one is clarifying and this one is moisturizing. I'm gonna go with the moisturizing one today. I don't want to strip any color out of my hair. This shampoo isn't leaving my hair as moisturized as I remember it to be. My hair is clean. I was pretty sure I wasn't going to find a green deep conditioner, so I was kind of prepared to find a green conditioner and then use it as a deep conditioner. That could work, right? But imagine my surprise when I open up this Deva Curl Melt into Moisture Deep Conditioner. I open it up. Green, 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 green. That's what matters today. It's green. This deep conditioner was pretty expensive. I ordered it from Sephora, so I'm just going to take my time with it. Ooh! I don't know if you guys noticed, but this would be the section where I would normally thoroughly detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb. But I have an orange comb, I have a pink comb, and I even have a black comb around the place, but no green comb. Actually, the only type of green detangling tool I could find was this green pick. But I don't want to use it right now to detangle my hair with my deep conditioner in my head. I'm willing to use it for when I'm styling my hair later. But we also have a next problem. This would now be the time when I would cover my hair with my Saran wrap to give my deep conditioner some time to sit on my hair, you know, work its magic. But Saran wrap isn't green. I could justify it by saying that Saran wrap is clear and technically not a color, so technically speaking, it doesn't count. I shouldn't minus any points. I actually have red and blue conditioning cap and even a gold conditioning cap and no green. So you know what? You guys be the judge of that. Let me know down below in the comment section if you minus a point from me for using the saran wrap. But your girl needs to cover her hair. So I'll leave that to you, the judge. Leave your comment down below and let me know if you minus a point for that.
It's above me now.
There's a lot of things I never worked through for this challenge. So I need to go to the gym. And I still deep conditioning my hair. Usually when I have my saran wrap on my head, all I would do is just wrap my hair with my leggings. But I don't have any green leggings and I don't have any green cloth to make a head wrap or anything. I only have a black and white, a blue, pink, no green. So guys, fine, I think I lose a point, but in my defense, if you take off a point for me putting on the saran wrap, you can't take off a point for me to put on these leggings on my head right now, because technically speaking, the leggings not touching my own hair, it's touching the plastic cap, and the plastic cap is touching my hair. So if you take off a point for the plastic cap, you can't take off a point for the leggings as well. It just don't fair. My black leggings kind of discolored. I need a new one, but I'm just going to the gym, okay? I'm tired. Alright, so I'm home from the gym and I am going to go in the shower right now. And while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna rinse out this deep conditioner. But let me show you guys what I got from the pharmacy. Most of you guys in the US might call it the drugstore. So I'm not really sure what hairstyle I'm going to be doing exactly as yet, but I definitely don't think I'm going to be using all these accessories. But just in case, I'm well prepared, all right? Totally forgot that this line existed and they are both green products. So I have the leave-in conditioner, but the leave-in conditioner is a spray leave-in. Yeah, don't mind the mist. Clearly you're not going to see a green mist, but the liquid is green, okay? And this conditioner, let me pull it. The conditioner is very green. Whee! See that? So I'll leave back a little of the rinse out conditioner in my hair for a little extra moisture, and then I will spray the liquid leave-in conditioner on top of it. I knew Creme of Nature would let me down. Oh. So normally I would top this off with a little shea butter on my ends, but I don't have any shea butter that's green. However, I just saw on my shelf that I have this sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil. So even though I don't really like putting oils on my hair, for today's challenge, let me just use a little bit of this on my ends. You can see that it's green. It's like a light green, but it's green. It might just be in my head, but I feel like putting a little oil or shea butter on my ends prevents single strand knots. Could be totally in my head, but I do it anyway. It's not going to cause any harm. I usually wrap my hair up with my microfiber towel and go to my bed, but my microfiber towels are white and pink. I found a little green shirt to wrap my hair up in, so can't minus the points from me. You ain't gonna catch me slipping. Okay, I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with my hair with the limited green products and green accessories I have to work with. Yeah, the style is in my head, so just work with me. Okay. bad. Could be a lot neater, but I mean, considering the tool I have using. So I'm planning to flat twist all the front section and then do a twist out to the back. You remember that video that I did where I flat twist the scarf into my hair? You guys were gassing me up and telling me how nice the flat twist look with the blue scarf in my hair and how that would look nice just to wear out in public. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I'm gonna use this green ribbon and try to flat twist it in the front of my hair. This don't look good. Alright, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Let's work on these two sides. Alright. We still got this. I still have this. It's just uneven and untidy looking to me. So I'm just gonna take it out. So for my styling cream, I had to get a little creative because I couldn't find a store-bought green styling product. So I ended up mixing the Design Essential Natural Define Cream Gel with the blue Wetline Extreme Gel, and I got a green styling cream. And on top of that, I am going to add my Design Essential Natural Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse, and it's clearly a green liquid inside. I just remember that I have the green hair paint wax. Might as well, right? These twists in the second row. Alright, let me use these green bobby pins and pin the hair out of my face, because I'm not going to pull these twists out until about the next day or two. Maybe. I didn't think about sleeping cap, okay? Sure. I know. I suck at my own challenge. So my original plan was to take this front section and sweep it back like that and just have a little of the green showing. I like it down. I like the green and red contrast in my hair, like, yes! I love this. I could also tie the ribbon on here. So I've officially gone over 48 hours attempting to only use green products in my hair. Okay, beauties, y'all be the judge. Let me know my final score. Anyway, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had as much fun as I did. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, pressure you because I mean, it's not like I'm begging for subscribers. We already have like almost 1 million people here on this channel already. So if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. Please subscribe.
It's above me now.
Okay, beauties. Thanks again for watching.